are going to be installing this device that allows us to tap into our existing 32-gallon propane tank on the coach and use that propane to fire up our grill when we're out camping and when we're out on the road. This way we don't have to carry a propane tank, the small portable ones, or the big 10-gallon tanks. So we can take advantage of our existing 32-gallon tank that we have on the coach. So here we have our propane tank, and this is the equipment we're going to be using today. This is the T-valve that we're going to be installing to allow us to connect our grill to the propane tank. And we're going to start here by removing this cover here that covers our control valve. We're going to remove the cover, then we're going to remove the valve that's underneath, push that aside, and then attach here like so. Reconnect the valve, the control valve, the regulator to be exact. We're going to put the regulator back onto this device, this T, and we should be all connected. Ready, so let's turn on the gas. There we go. We're gonna turn this to start. Yep, I just heard it. And we have fire. Okay, so we are done for today. Team Roche RV.
Tú sabes que yo vivo revoleando, flotando.